Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a little pickup? This might be the one for you. This is the 2011 the Ford Ranger. Stock number is T20086A. This is the Ranger Sport, as you can see, edition. Super clean little truck. Low miles, 75,000 miles. It's very low. I'll show you the interior. No virtual video walk around would be complete without showing you both condition of the exterior and interior. This is a 5-speed. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length, as you can see right here. This truck won't last long. For more information on this one or any others in our inventory, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person. Better yet, hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.